Welcome back to my channel. It's Leah with SkinBeautifulrx. We are back to talk about an all-in-one product for PM use. This is the Isdin Age Contour Night Cream. I know a lot of people love just a, very simple PM routine or an AM routine, and we're really looking for products that do a lot. They're true treatment products and something you can use as a one and done. You can pop on a thicker moisturizer if you want to, and you're getting anti-aging benefits. You're getting a lot of really great skin nutrition, and as well as helping with fine lines, wrinkles, and lifting. And if that's something you are interested in, then definitely check out the Isdin Age Contour Night Cream. It is a lot of repair to your skin. It only helps treat prior damage, but it also helps protect against future damage, and I'll go into the ingredients that help do that. So it's going to be repairing DNA damage. It's going to be extremely calming, so if you have inflammation or you have redness to the skin, it's going to be great for anybody with inflammation, as well as it's going to help fight fine lines and wrinkles and help to plump the skin for a more youthful look. Isdin says that if you use this product nightly, you will wake up to healthier, vibrant, smoother, younger looking skin. And that is due to quite a few really great ingredients that I love in this formula, because we don't really have any other product that has this mix of really awesome ingredients. So it's going to be really just beneficial for everybody, and it's in a super gentle formula that everybody's going to love, be able to tolerate, and you're going to really love these ingredients. The first one is melatonin, and Fuchs and I actually did a video a while back together talking about the benefits of topical melatonin. That's really the main active ingredient in this formula, and melatonin is so great topically. A lot of people obviously take it orally, and there are some really great benefits though to applying it topically to the skin. Melatonin actually fights oxidative stress, meaning it's a really powerful antioxidant, and neutralizes free radicals before they can damage the DNA or the cells in our skin, before they can damage those and cause issues such as hyperpigmentation, premature aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. This is a super fun antioxidant too, because it actually helps to stimulate collagen, which will be very helpful to fight fine lines and wrinkles. Skin cells, melatonin has also been shown to reverse UV-induced damage, protecting our cellular DNA from damage. So melatonin, again, is just going to be a really powerful antioxidant that's not only going to protect us against future damage, but actually reverse damage that's already happened in the skin from pollution and oxidative stress. The next ingredient actually fights glycation, so I know a lot of people are going to love this ingredient. Glycation is basically the laxity in our skin due to the sugar process, eating too much sugar, and just other things. Glycation is actually can happen from too much sun exposure. So it's like an orange peeliness to the skin, or like little teeny like wrinkles along the lower face, and it actually can be very embarrassing for people because it's one of those things that it's very noticeable. So the ingredient is carnosine. It actually helps to rejuvenate skin tissue that has been affected by glycation. It also helps fight free radicals, so again, it's going to be just really powerful against oxidative stress. And ultimately, it's going to fight photo-aging or the orange peely skin due to the effects of glycation, as well as hyperpigmentation. So really great ingredient, really cool, and like I said, it's not in a lot of products, so I really like seeing it in this formula. Next ingredient is a flower extract. And this is a great ingredient for calming the skin. It's really great for rosacea. It's really great for just calming inflammation and making the skin feel good. So if you're somebody who has rosacea or skin inflammation, you can almost feel like it's burning and it's uncomfortable. This ingredient is great for that. It's going to calm that skin down and make it nice and even. The ingredient also helps hydrate the skin, so it's going to be great for hydrating and calming and strengthening the skin's barrier. This is the Isdin Age Contour Night Cream. I do like to mention, since it is a jar, I know I'll get asked, It does come with a little scoop so you can keep your product sanitary. And this is just such a great night cream if you're looking for something to fight glycation, fight photo damage, fight orange peely skin. If you need something that's also hydrating and an all-in-one, or you can add this in with other products. It's totally up to you, but it is a product that can be used on its own at night if you want to put a moisturizer with it or one other product. You're still going to get phenomenal anti-aging results, as well as great results for anything I just discussed. And so I hope this was very helpful, this 5-minute review of the Isdin Age Contour Night. Amazing anti-aging product and great for firming, lifting fine lines and wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. Also great for correcting DNA damage and being a powerful antioxidant. If you guys have any questions, let me know below. If not, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.